video, I will be telling you how to verify your age on Google account. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. All you have to do is to sign in with your official account on the Google Chrome or anywhere that you can. So once you're signed in with your official account, just go to the personal information. If you want to verify your age, there must be a prompt from the Google itself. You will see the instruction to verify the age. It's very simple. All you have to do is to use your government ID and use a credit card. You have both options. You can take or upload a photo of valid government ID card that shows your date of birth. Google review most requests within 24 hours, and you can also use your credit card. Alternatively, you can use a credit card to verify your age. Google will place a temporary authorization on your card to confirm its validity. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.